How to block and unblock someone on TikTok. Hello everybody. If you are wondering how, you may follow up these methods. So for that, you may open up TikTok application. And then after that, you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, you may tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner, tap on it. And then after you open up your profile, you may go ahead and locate up the person that you would like to block. Otherwise, you can use the search bar from the home button at the top right corner and locate up the person that you would like to block. For example, I would like to do this user right here. So in order to block that person, all you gotta do is tap on the share icon at the top and a menu appears. Now from the given menu, you can find a block option. Just go ahead and locate up that option and tap on block. And you can just go ahead and block them from here. Confirm this block. Once that is done, they should be blocked. So in order to unblock them, you can directly go over to their profile, search their profile and tap on unblock option from here. Otherwise, what you can do is go to your profile page and tap on the menu bar at the top right, and then select settings and privacy. And then from settings and privacy, select the option called privacy. And from the given menu, scroll down and look for the option called blocked accounts. And after tapping on blocked accounts, you may just go ahead and unblock the person that you would like. For example, this one right here, tap on it and unblock them. So that is how you basically block and unblock someone on TikTok. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.